as we've looked at Joseph, I just want to make it a little bit practical for you. 3 simple, what I call Joseph moves for when your heart is breaking. Number 1, pause before you post. Don't turn your pain into performance. Proverbs 13:3 says this, those who control their tongue protect their life. Number 2, protect dignity even when trust is damaged. Joseph didn't pretend everything was fine. However, he refused to disgrace Mary. Ephesians 4:29, which says, let your words build up, not tear down. Number 3, ask the question, what would restoration look like? Galatians 6:1 says, restore gently, not loudly, not harshly, not vindictively, gently.